Hey there, Sean Bailey, and today I'm going to give you a very simple three-step offer formula. Now, the great thing about this formula is this is the exact same formula that is used by 6- and 7-figure entrepreneurs. I know because I've worked with these people. I've done offer and copy coaching for a 7-figure entrepreneur, and this is some of the stuff that I learned while I was working with them here. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you these 3 steps. We're going to go through them 1, 2, 3, so that you know how simple it is, what you need to focus on if you want to create a high ticket offer. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to make you an offer for my product, but I'm not going to be obnoxious or disrespectful about it. But I am going to do the best that I can to show you how valuable it is in advance so that you'll go ahead and try it. Now, some people might not like that, and that's okay. I understand. If you're one of those people, you can go ahead and just click off this video right now, or you can just leave the video once I start talking about it. So let's jump right into it. Step 1 is that we want to call out our ideal prospect. We want to get their attention. The attention is the most important thing that you can get nowadays online. There's so much noise and so much messaging that's out there. First thing we want to do is get their attention. So if you think about it, in a crowded train station, if there was a bunch of people, a huge crowd of people, and you're trying to get the attention of one person, the easiest way to call out to them or get their attention would be to yell out their name, because people are going to hear their name and they're going to turn and look and see who said that, right? The second best way to get someone's attention is to call out to the group or industry that they're involved in, right? So we call out our ideal prospects saying something like, attention personal injury lawyers and law firms. Or we say, this is for industry experts turned course creators. Or calling all entrepreneurs, small business owners, and solopreneurs, right? So step 1, call the ideal prospect because we want to get their attention. We need to get their attention. Step 2 is we want to go ahead and actually present the offer itself. So we want to lead in with kind of an if statement. If I offer to grow the value of your firm's current digital marketing budget by 10x, if I offer to build you a high converting course sales page, if I offer to work with you one-on-one to transform your sales and fill your sales pipeline, right? We want to show that we're able to solve an existing problem that they have with our particular offer, right? They don't have a high converting course sales page. They don't have a full pipeline filled up so that they're ready to go make more sales than they thought possible, right? So step 3 is that we want to get a binary response. We want our offer to evoke either a yes or no answer. If the answer yes and they're interested, great, we can move forward with it. And we know that our offer's been, that we've got some validation to our offer. If we don't get any response or people are saying no, then we know that we don't need to go and invest any kind of time in funnel building, writing up emails, creating web pages, writing ads, doing any of that kind of stuff. We can know in advance whether or not we've got a good offer, or if we need to pivot and shift and kind of reframe or recreate the offer in a way that's going to get more yes answers from people. And so when we present this, we want to get our yes and no answer by using terms like, are you next? Would you be interested in that? Would you take me up on that? Right? Because when someone's reading it, they're going to get to that point in the letter and think, yes, I'm interested in this. No, I'm not interested in this. But most importantly, this is about speed and finding out if our market is interested in the offer that we've got here. Now that you've seen the basics of a high ticket offer, I want to know, do you want me to help you create your own high ticket offer? Now, before we go any further, there is a catch. This is not for people who don't take action. This is not for people who don't have a few successful students, some kind of case studies, or some client success that they can draw on. And this is not for people who aren't willing to go and have this offer created and then go and run with it right away, get some results, and start getting some success with these types of high ticket offers. Now, here's the great thing. At the end of the offer intensive breakthrough session, you'll have a completed high ticket offer in your hand. You'll even get a recording of our session together. So here's what to do next. All you got to do is click the link below this video and claim your spot with me. You'll get access to my calendar, and then we'll meet up at a time that's convenient for you, and we'll create your offer in about 60 to 90 minutes. Now, I do have to warn you, there's only so many spots on my calendar, so if this is something that interests you, go ahead, click the link below this video, see if you qualify for the offer intensive so that we can get started as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.